What is the type of receiver used for marker beacon? A. Heterodyne. B. Superheterodyne. C. Capacitive pick-off. D. Crystal controlled. The correct answer is crystal controlled. Provides deviation when the aircraft is displaced laterally from the vertical plane of the runway. A. Localizer. B. Glide slope transmitter. C. DME. D. Marker beacons. The correct answer is localizer. Which of the following transmits an audio Morse code? A. Localizer. B. Glide slope transmitter. C. DME. D. Marker beacons. The correct answer is localizer. What is the signal that are added to the localizer signal if the beam is narrow to provide signal coverage? A. Localizer plus. B. Difference signal. C. Sum signal. D. Clearance signal. The correct answer is clearance signal. What type of antenna is used in the localizer? A. Long periodic antenna. B. Helical antenna. C. Dipole antenna. D. Parabolic antenna. The correct answer is long periodic antenna. Which of the following cause multi-path signals? A. Low transmission power. B. Ground reflection. C. Low frequency transmission. D. High frequency transmission. The correct answer is ground reflection. What is the type of glide slope that depends on the reflection of signals by the ground? A. Reflection slope. B. Refraction glide slope. C. Image glide slope. D. Direct glide slope. The correct answer is image glide slope. What is the radiation pattern of the marker beacons? A. Triangle. B. Circle. C. Square. D. Fan shape. The correct answer is fan shape. Clearance signals can be transmitted from the same array antenna as the localizer signal. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false.